Hi, my name's Jensen, and this is my bike check. Alright, to start off, we've got the ODI grips, Odyssey par ends, got the Mutiny Glam version 2 bars, we got the Stolen Convict stem, flipped upside down for more rise, we got Kink forks, Odyssey Vendero 2 complete wheel, Odyssey P-Light tire, pretty nice, Aaron Ross tire, got a DK Cygnus frame till I put this one on. Sunday Funday version 1 frame. It's pretty nice. I got it for like $100, so yeah. Got Animal Cush seat, DK seat post, Shadow Alfred Light C clamp, Shadow Crank and Bone sprocket, a KMC Dropbuster chain, Madeira Protocol cranks, got a Animal Hamilton pedals, Premium Refuse Resist tire, Shadow Conspiracy Orbis rim laced to a Demolition Rolls cassette hub, purple alloy nipples, spade valve caps, bottom bracket stock, and headset stock.